first question is, if A is the set of A set is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and B is the set of 3, 4, 5. C set is 4, 5, 7, 8. These are three sets given. We have find A intersection B. First part of this question is A intersection B. We have find these intersections. So now we have discussed the set of A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Intersection B 3, 4, 5. We take those elements which are common in A and B. So here the common element is 3, 4 contain this set, 3, 4 contain this set. So now we take 3, 4 is the common element. So now A intersection B is equal to 3, 4. Second part of like this, same as this, we have find B intersection C. Here the set B is 3, 4, 5 and intersection C is 4, 5, 7, 8. Now we have find this intersection of this set. Here we look this element 4 and 5 and 4 or 5 element are common in both set. So now B intersection is 4, 5. And third part is say that B difference C. B difference C. Element of B element is 3, 4, 5. Difference 4, 5, 7, 8. Now B difference C means we take those elements which are in B, not in C. So here the element is 4, 5 contained to C, but here element is 3 not contained in a C. So B difference C is element at 3. This is your questions number first. Now in questions number second, find the union of these following pair of a set. So here the fourth part, few part of this question are, if A is the set of A, E, I, O, U and B is the set of A, I, U, we have find A union B. A union B. We take those elements which are in A and B also the common element. So here the element of A is A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O and U. And the element of B is also A. We take A already, I already, U already. So then A union B is equal to B. This is the set of element of A. Now it is also written by A union B equal to set of A because it's contain all element of set A. Second part is say that X is a natural number is 3 greater than 3 but less than equal to 9. So A is the set of element greater than 3 but less than 9. So we take element 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Second B. B is the set of X is a natural number greater than 10 but less than equal to 15. So greater than 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. This is the set of B. Now we have find the A union B. Now A union B is we take element of A. Here the element of A is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Element of B also and common element. Here the common element is null. Then we take all element of a B. This is the set of a element A union B. Third part say that A is the set of 5, 10, 15 and B is the set of 5. Now we have find union of this set A union B. We take all element of A and here the element of B is 5. 5 means null set, it means no element of this. So now 5, 10, 15 union B 5. Now we take the element of common and all element of this set is 5, 10 and 15. This contain the A elements. A union B is also equal to A. And last part of this question is A is the set of X. A is the set of X such that X equal to 2n plus 1 and belong to Z. This is given the conditions. We have take those set n belong to z. So we take some value for z is z for integer. We take -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. Few value of these integers put in this. So a set is equal to, we take -2 here, is -4 plus 1 -3, -3 -1 we take -1, 0 take is 1, 1 is 3 and this is also 5 up to so. This is the set of a elements. Now B say that B is the set of x such that x is equal to 2n, n belong to z. So now n belong to z, z stand for integers. We put some values of this set, we get x equal to -2, we get -4, -2, 0, 2 and 4 up to so. This is the set of these elements. Now we discuss these few conditions of this set. Now A union B. Here the union of this set, we take all element of this is -4, -3 up to so on. -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the set of integers which belong to z. Then this is the union of these two sets. This is questions number 2. Now in questions number 3, is the set of x such that x is equal to 3n, n belong to z. We take the elements z equal to -2, -1, 0 these. So then possible value of these is up to so on -6, -3, 0, 3, 6. These 9, 12 up to so on. This is the set of A. And B set for n. X such that x equal to 4n, n belong to z. So now we say that this is the set of B is equal to up to so on. This belong to -8, -4, 0, 4, 8, 12. Now we have find intersection of these two sets. Now intersection of these set is A intersection B is equal to element of those elements which are common in A and B. Here we look, this element is 12, this element is 12, this element 0, 0. Also the element here is -9, -12. If we put the minus for it, -12, and this is put it 3 to -12. This is also equal to this. So now the set of these element up to so on -12, 0, this element is 12 up to so on. Now we write this also set is x such that x belong to x such that x equal to 12n, where n belong to z. This may be written as this. This is the A intersection B. In questions number 4, he said that U is the universal set of element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And A is the 1, 2, 3, 4. A is the set of element 1, 2, 3, 4. And B is the set of element 2, 4, 6, 8. And C is the set of element 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have find A, first part of this A intersection C का whole complement. Now we have first of them find the A intersection C. For first result A intersection C. Here the element of A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Intersection C is 3, 4, 5, 6. We take those elements which are common in A and C. So now here the common element 3 and 4 in both sets. So complement of set is 3, 4. Now A intersection C whole complement. So now we take these elements in set U. We left these elements in set U and remaining elements are written by these. We get A intersection C complement. 1 2 5 6 7 8 एंड 9। हमने इन दोनों एलिमेंटों को छोड़ के यू में से जो एलिमेंट बाकी बचे हुए उन सभी को लिखना। ये क्या रहता है, कंप्लीमेंट ऑफ ए सेट। दिस इज द ए कंप्लीमेंट ए इंटरसेक्शन सी का होल कंप्लीमेंट। सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ दिस आल्सो सेम, बी इंटरसेक्शन सी का होल कंप्लीमेंट। फर्स्ट ऑफ देम वी फाइंड द बी और सी इंटरसेक्शन आफ्टर दिस कंप्लीमेंट, सेम एज फर्स्ट पार्ट, and in third part he say that a difference c ka whole complement. In this part we have shown this part by this a difference c, like this a difference c. A here the set of a element is, first of them a difference c element of a is 1 2 3 4, difference c is 3 4 5 6. We take those elements which are left in A. Here are the 3 4 elements in B. So we take those elements 1 2 which are not in a C. हमने वो एलिमेंट लेने हैं जो C के A के वो एलिमेंट जो C के अंदर नहीं है। 3 4 एलिमेंट ऑलरेडी इसके अंदर एग्जिस्ट कर रहे हैं, तो 1 2 एलिमेंट इसके अंदर एग्जिस्ट नहीं करते, तो A डिफरेंस C आ गया आपका 1 2। नाउ A डिफरेंस C का होल कंप्लीमेंट इज, we take these two elements left in this set U. So now this is the element of 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. This is the set of A complement C dash. This is question number 4. U is the set of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 elements, and A is the set of 1 2 3 4, and B is the set of 3 4 6, and C is the set of 5 6 7 8. These are 4 sets are given. Now in this set we have find first question, A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. In these questions we take left hand side and right hand side. Taking LHS, in left hand side we have discussed first of them this result discuss, taking LHS and B union C the result. In B union C we have discussed, here the element of B is 3 4 6, union C is 5 6 7 and 8. Now B union C means those elements which are in A and which are in B, and also the common element. These are 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is the B union C. Now we take A union B union C. A is the element of 1 2 3 4. Union B union C element 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now we take the union of this set is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is the set of a this is your left hand side here. This is see that this is the set of U. Now we take RHS side, taking RHS right hand side. In this side right hand side say that A union B and whole union C. Now first we take A union B. Here the element of A is 1 2 3 4. Union B is 3 4 6. Now we take these elements 1 2 3 4 and 6, which are the element of A, B and both common element. Now we take A union B union C. Now this takes A 1 2 3 4 and 6. Union C element is 5 6 7 8. Now we take the union of this set is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. These are the element of this set. Here we look there, left hand side is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and right hand side is 1 2 3 4 5 6 8. So hence LHS is equal to RHS for this result. And second part of this result say that second part of this, A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B whole intersection C. In left hand side we have first of find B intersection C. B intersection C means we take element of B is 3 4 6 and intersection C is 5 6 7 8. Now common element of both set is only one element, this is 6. It is the common of these. Now we take A intersection B intersection C. A element is 1 2 3 4 and intersection of B intersection C is 6. Now which have no common element, then these intersection equal to 5. This is your left hand side. In right hand side we take first of them A intersection B. A intersection B we take those elements which are common in A and B. Here the A element is 1 2 3 4. Intersection B element is 3 4 6. Then common element is both 3 4. Now A intersection B intersection with C. A intersection B is 3 4 and intersection with C is 5 6 7 8. Now here we look that these have no common element, then this is also equal to 5. So hence we observe that this side is equal to this side, left hand side is equal to right hand side. This is your second part. In third part it is likely as second part. Third part say that A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. In left hand side first of them we find the B intersection C. We have already find B intersection C is element 6. And now we take A union B intersection C. This is your left hand side. And right hand side A union B we have find A union B of this set. A union B of this set. This A union C, and after this a intersection same as first and second part. Same as first and second part. In part 4 say that this is the A intersection B whole complement is equal to A dash union B dash. In this left hand side we have first find A intersection B. So now A intersection B is equal to, we write the common element of both A and B have common element is 3 and 4. We take the first questions part. This is the set of A element, this is the set of a B element. So common element of this set is 3 4. Now complement of this set A intersection B whole complement, we take these element neglect to these U, we get 1 2 5 6 7 8. So then 1 2 5 6 7 8 is the element of these sets. Now in right hand side first we find the A dash. Here the element of A dash. Now first of take we set of A. Set of A contain element 1 2 3 4. We take these element and left in this U2 we get the set of element is A complement is 5 6 7 8. And now B complement. B complement, B contains set 3 4 6 element and B complement is 1 2 5 7 8. This is the set of element B dash. Now we have find A dash union B dash. Here the A dash union B dash, all element of A, all element of B and common. So this contain 1 2 5 6 7 8. Now this is your right hand side. In left hand side we have the set of 1 2 5 6 7 1 2 5 6 7 8. This is your left hand side is equal to right hand side. Last part of this is similar to fourth part. In fifth part say that A union B complement is equal to A dash intersection B dash. In this set we have find intersection of this set, but in set we have find union of this set. So now A union B is equal to, from this U is equal to this, A equal to this, we have find union of this set Also we have found already union of this set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So we write this element 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. This is the A union B. Now A union B is the set of these elements. Now find its complement. We take those elements which are not in A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 left. We get 5, 7, 8. This is the complement of set A union B. Now take right hand side A dash complement of A. This is the set of A complement 5, 6, 7, 8 and B complement. This is also the B complement 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. So now A dash intersection B dash. We take those elements which are common in A and B. Here the common element is 5, 5, 7, 7, 8, 8. So then this is the set of 5, 7, 8. So hence LHS is equal to RHS. This is your question number